Game, the Panthers had quite an injury, an unfortunate one to star linebacker Luke Kuechly, who left the game with a concussion. Now, for Kuechly, he's been battling concussions for the better part of the last couple of years here. The first 3 years of his career, he'd been pretty healthy, never missing a game, but concussions have started taking their toll on Kuechly. This is 3 years in a row he has dealt with them. Last year, he missed the final 6 games of the year, and you have to wonder if they might affect the longevity of his career at this point. As you can see, it's a huge loss for the Panthers if Kuechly is out for long, because he leads the team in tackles. He's made the Pro Bowl and All-Pro teams each of the last 4 years. This is how the Panthers defense has fared as a unit, one of the best defenses in the league. Now without their leader, they could see a drop-off here. Remember, they're in the same division as the defending NFC champions indeed. So something to keep an eye on as Kuechly now in that concussion protocol.